Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos.
Okay, so let's draw some birds. So what's a good shape that we can use for a body for a bird?
We should draw like an oval.
Yeah, an oval's good. And then what should we draw next? So this is the body.
I think the head is next.
Yes, let's draw the head next. So I'm gonna draw the head like this, like an oval. You can do a circle or more of a square, either one. And let's put his eyes in. So I want to make his eyes kind of big. Then birds, do they have muzzles? Or what do they have instead of a muzzle? Use a triangle for the beak, right? So let's give him a racing cap. Or a racing helmet. Draw it like that. This is gonna be a racing bird. Okay, for the wings or the hands, I usually draw triangle shapes. And then I add to it like this. So I can draw a triangle shape like this. I can draw a triangle shape like this. And then I usually like to do this thing, kind of for like the fingers. And then for the feet, we can draw the feet like this. Or if you want, you can use a triangle at the end too. So the bird's pretty easy to draw. If you want him like happy, you can make him go like, you can make the smiley face. You want to make him angry. You just add, or you can add this round face. You can also have him talk. Okay, so you can invent your own race. So maybe turtle is out racing the bird. You can have a turn. For a turn, you would just use curved lines. So this is what you can do with your story. I'm just kind of showing you what I would do. Okay, does that make sense? I'm kind of drawing kind of fast, but you guys will get the point. So you can draw your own racing story. Okay, let's draw a duck. And let's draw the duck kind of like a character. So let's start with the head this time. Okay, so our bird kind of had a bigger head. Like this. We want to make our duck look different than our bird, which our bird kind of look like this. Oh, don't forget your seatbelts too. Maybe you have some seatbelts. Anyway.
Now if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.